Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making mini cherry muffins. These pretty and delicious muffins are made with maraschino cherries and covered in a sweet cherry glaze. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and drain and chop enough maraschino cherries to make 1/3 cup and then set it aside. In a bowl, add 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 egg. Now whisk this together until it's well combined. Then add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir this together until it's just combined. Now fold in your cherries. Now take a mini muffin pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Evenly fill each muffin cup with the batter. Now bake in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. While these are baking, you can go ahead and make the cherry glaze. So in a bowl, add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of maraschino cherry juice. Now whisk this together. If it's too thick, you can thin it down with a little more cherry juice. Once the muffins are done, remove them from the oven and transfer them to a wire rack to cool. Once they are cool, drizzle the cherry glaze over each muffin. And here they are, mini cherry muffins. And this recipe makes 24. And be sure to store these in an airtight container. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Was that right? Okay. Whew. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Wait, was that right? So in a bowl, add 1/2 cup of sugar, powdered sugar.
Oh, that's right. I didn't even catch that.
Powdered sugar, not sugar. You can thin it down some with some more cherry juice. Ooh. Once they are cool, drizzle each, drizzle, drizzle, drizzle each one. And this recipe makes 24 muffins. Wait a minute. No, I just got started and I can't stop.